In a recent trip to Sundon Chalk Pit with my really good buddy Rui from Rui's RC Adventures, I was finding that the rear insert in Spidey was acting a little bit too soft. And I was also noticing that I wasn't getting quite the amount of push that I wanted from the rears. Rui suggested switching the rear tyres, the left with the right, and what this does is it switches the tread pattern into what would be considered the wrong direction. However, a recent video on Crawler Canyon, our good friend over there, Mr. C, tried, tested and proved that you do get a lot more push from the rear of the vehicle by switching them over. Now, it does cause other issues if you switch both, so we just switched the rear, and this was with the result. So if you've got a set of Deepwoods, Louise Champs, or Fastrax Rockos, it's all the same tyre, you can get a little bit more push from the back of the vehicle by rotating the rear wheels and giving yourself a reverse tread pattern. Hopefully this video helps you out, guys. If it does, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Remember, guys, no matter the question, love is always the answer.